Hi, my busy bumblebees. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's give your little fingers some work. For this activity, you will need Fruit Loops, strainer, and 10 spaghetti. After we're done, we'll open the Kinder Egg. When you're picking up the spaghetti, use your thumb and index finger, insert it into the strainer. Make the spaghetti stand. I will spin the wheel on the phone to see what number and color we will get. 8. Green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spaghetti number 2. Spin the wheel. 1. Blue. 1. Spaghetti number 3. Let's spin the wheel. 5. Purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spaghetti number 4. Spin the wheel. 6. Yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Spaghetti number 5. Spin the wheel. Number 10. Red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spaghetti number 6. Spin the wheel. 8. Green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spaghetti number 7. Spin the wheel. 5. Purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spin the wheel. 2. Green. 1, 2. Spaghetti number 9. Let's spin the wheel. 6. Yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Spaghetti number 10. Spin the wheel. 5. Purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's review the colors. Purple, green, yellow, red, and blue. Now use gentle fingers and remove all the spaghetti from the strainer and make sure no Fruit Loops will fall out from the top. Go! Amazing work, guys! Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a mermaid. Thank you for playing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.